Welcome to your reports dashboard, your central hub for analyzing calls and turning insights into coaching opportunities. Start by selecting your campaign and date range right away. Once you've set those, open filters to refine your results further and narrow down the data you want to analyze. Next, use Details By to group your results. You can break things down by agent, team, or even affiliates and buyers to compare performance across the board. Each section of the report gives you a different perspective. Insights combine all your selected data into one overview, showing total calls, averages, and success metrics. KPI breaks down those results by the group you selected, agent, team, or affiliate, so you can pinpoint top and bottom performers. Scorecard summarizes the total score of that group across multiple metrics. Vocalytics shows the overall tone and delivery style, like confidence and empathy, based on AI analysis of each call. Disposition Accuracy compares how your team marked calls versus how AI classified them, helping you measure how well agents tag their outcomes. You can sort columns to quickly see who's excelling or struggling, and apply or remove filters in seconds. Don't forget, you can turn off any columns you don't need for a cleaner view. Once you've identified agents you want to dig into, move to the comparison report. Filter to that specific agent and review their metrics side by side against company or team averages. Use this to trace issues from the top-level insights report down to the agent level, so you can understand both the company-wide trends and the root cause behind them. Inside the comparison report, pivot to Vocalytics to analyze tone and communication style. Sort columns to reveal patterns and see who needs coaching in clarity, energy, or empathy. Next, explore the Progress Tracking tab. This view helps you visualize each agent's improvement over time, showing score trends, validation progress, and Vocalytics performance all in one place. Use it to celebrate growth and spot areas that still need coaching attention. Save time by using presets to store your favorite filter combinations and export your reports anytime for easy sharing. And that's your reports dashboard workflow. Filter, group, compare, and coach smarter. Turn insights into action and drive performance at every level. Analyze smarter, coach better.